Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Dr. Awais Masud. I am working as a veterinary officer in Livestock and Dairy Development Department, Pushab. Currently, I am doing my MPhil in Department of Microbiology in University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Lahore. Today, I want to elaborate a very important topic on antimicrobial resistance. We all know that microbes are developing resistance against antimicrobial agents day by day. So, during my veterinary practice, I found that villagers use different methods to treat their and different medicinal plants to treat and their animals as well as humans for different infectious diseases. Uh, that is why I choose different medicinal plants which are usually used by villagers, and I started scientific study on that. Antimicrobial resistance is a very hot topic, and according to World Health Organization, 80% of the world's population uses plant extracts and their constituents as folk medicine in traditional therapies. Uh, I would like to introduce topography of district Miawali first. Uh, District Miawali is lengthwise is covered by Indus River, and it has interestingly four type of topographies at a time. Tehsil Isa Khel and some part of Tehsil Miawali is covered with mountains, while Tehsil Pipla is covered with desert thal. Uh, uh, that medicinal plants which we collected for the study were also taken from these areas, especially mountains of Namal and Musa Khel and Isa Khel. Uh, when we if we talk about medicinal plants, I selected Acanthus aspera, which is commonly called Ludhri, Acacia modesta, which is commonly called Pulai in local language, and Solanum solatans mohagri. These plants I selected because I've observed in during my practice that these plants are used for treatment of different infections. Uh, I selected E. coli, Salmonella, and Malvasia species. I did not go into details of pathogens or non-pathogenic strains. I did, straightforwardly covered these species and conducted in vitro study for detection of their activity, uh, antimicrobial activity. Uh, and when we talk about methodology, we take three dilutions of each plant. The leaves of each plant were diluted with ethanol and methanol. We take 50 milligram, 40 milligram, and 30 milligram dilutions with 1 ml, zero point 0.8 ml, 0.6 ml solutions. Different identification tests we use for biochemical test and staining for identification of Malvasia and E. coli and Salmonella species. Importantly, results when we discuss results uh, broadly, when I talk 1 ml dilution of methanolic extract of Acanthus aspera gave best result against uh, killing of E. coli, while 50 ml milligram per dl means 1 ml dilution of ethanolic extract of Solanum solatans gave maximum results zone of inhibition in antimicrobial sensitivity test against Salmonella, while methanolic extract of Solanum solatans gave maximum results against Malvasia species. If we have a look on extra graphs, We will find that the occurrences as para means literally gave maximum results, and this is also comparison here of plant dilutions. These results show Salmonella species, and here we can see that Solanum soratans mahapuri, 1 ml dilution, ethanolic extract gave maximum result. Similarly here, and if we see Marsilia species, this best result, best zone of inhibition were seen in 1 ml dilution of Solanum suractans and its methanolic extract. These are some pictures. First one is for E. coli. Second one is for Salmonella, and third one is for Marsilia. Uh, in the end, I will give some conclusive remarks that this study was purely in vitro. And this can be considered as first step towards development of local plants to combat antimicrobial resistance. However, if we want, and if anyone want, obviously we also have decided that we will study it more. And if anyone want to study it in vivo, then its pharmacology and in vivo studies will help to establish antibacterial and antifungal agent in a better way. This can be considered as pilot study. In the end, I will thank you all for the patience. Thanks.